Hello friends, this is Atika Vadari from Extra Code YouTube channel. So friends, from today I'm gonna start a Python tutorial. Hope you guys will love it. So let's get started. So friends, you might be thinking, what is Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. Python is a high-level language, which means it is a programmer-friendly language, or a language which programmer can understand. Python uses an interpreter to translate high-level language to machine language, or a language that machine can understand, or we can say binary language. Now, why should you learn Python? Python syntax is really easy and simple than other programming languages. The code is very clean and is easy to read as well. There are built-in libraries in Python. You just have to import them and do whatever work you want, which makes your work easier. I will tell you how to import libraries and do work with them in my upcoming videos. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, let's talk about Python's history. Python was invented by Guido van Rossum and was first released on 20 February 1991. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys got to know what is Python and why should you learn Python. So, if you also want to learn Python, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of my video on time. See you soon in my next video guys. Thank you so much.